That's the Moveable F7 chord shape. Very good chord shape to know. If you're not sure of that particular shape, then check out the link in the description for a lesson on it. Okay, so if you put that shape on at the first fret, you can see the diagram there. It goes like that and sounds like this. And at the first fret, it's F7. At the second fret, you'll have F sharp 7. At the third fret, G7. At the fourth fret, G sharp 7. And at the fifth fret, any ideas? Answers on a postcard, please? Well, what you're going to have there is A7. F sharp 7 can also be called G flat 7. G sharp 7 can also be called A flat 7. Usually when you're going up, it becomes a sharp. If you're going down the fretboard, it becomes a flat. So if we're here at the fifth fret playing A7, if we go down one fret, it becomes A flat 7. Then G7, G flat 7, finally to F7. And at the root of all of this is E7. Now we're only playing the top 4 strings for this chord. The great thing about the guitar is when you play a chord in different positions on the fretboard using a different shape, you get a different sound. So for example, we were playing the G7 using the F7 shape at the third fret. But we can also play an open G7 chord like this. Same chord, same notes, but a really different sound. Open, third fret. Open, third fret. Why not try that yourself with other chords such as A7, D7, B7, C7. Try it using the F7 chord shape and then try it using the open chord position. And if you're not sure of any of those chord shapes, then check the links in the description there for lessons on those. So let's do a little bit of practice here with these 7th chords. And we're going to play the 12-bar blues, and you can see the chord progression up there. And we're going to be using the F7 shape to play both the F7 chord and the G7 chord. Okay, so follow me, play along with me, and start using this great new shape. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I remember playing that same progression when I was learning many moons ago, and I really thought I was the dog's knackers because I was moving up and down the fretboard like what I thought was a true pro. I hope you're feeling the same way. There are other things that you can do with this particular shape, but that's for another lesson. So why not consider hitting the notification button for more content just like this. If you've made it to the end of this lesson, why not consider typing in the chat, I can play an F7 chord up and down the fretboard. Or you could just consider checking this video out. Thanks for watching, happy strumming, see you in the next video.